It's your boy Trey Dub. Welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's get to it. All right, a few days ago, I purchased Madden 24 on this Steam Deck OLED, all right? And I got it, it was on sale, I believe $20 with tax, $22. And I'm like, wow, that ain't bad. And man, your boy got it, downloaded it, and I was excited to play this game. It was around, I believe, 50 gigs, man. So the file is large. So we're here. The problem I'm having, the game won't play. It will not play. Now, I played Madden on here before, remote play through the Xbox Series X. So this is what happens, y'all. And maybe y'all can help me out, man, but this doesn't make no sense at all. And your boy might have to get a refund because I'm trying to figure it out. All right, so y'all see that? Wine is not supported. So if anybody out there can help your boy out, man, I don't know what to do. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and get a refund, man, because I really want to play Madden on here, and I don't know what to do. I tried to figure out how to, get past this point by looking at other videos going on Google, and I can't find nothing, man. So, and another thing, watch this. Let me get out of here. Let me go home. Let me go to the store. I don't even see Madden on here, so they must have took it off. I don't know. And Madden was at the top of the list, so for some reason, it's not on here. I wonder why. But that's it, y'all, man. Anybody out there, man, can help your boy. New and trending. Nope. Top sellers. I mean, it was like at the top, like probably the third one down, man. I don't see it no more. But that's about it. If y'all can help me out, man, with that, anybody out there got some info, man, on how to get this Madden 24 going, I appreciate it. And I was going to download that NBA 2K24, but looking at those reviews, man, a lot of people was complaining about how their game is buggy and it crashes, it freezes. So I don't know. But when I do remote play on this, I have no problem. I just want to play, when I'm away from the house without any network, anything. So, all right, y'all.